Hello, in this video I wanted to share a process of making a plaster gypsum board for drawing, or better to say, engraving. I mixed plaster prior to filming and poured into some rubber mold I found. After the first layer, I added a small piece of rope so it can hang later, and after the second, I allowed it to cool and waited for 15 minutes after the plaster cooled. Just then I figured out it may not have been the best idea to use this, as it was too hard stiff to take off the cast. It didn't matter too much, this is just a test anyway. I left it for 5 days to dry really well and painted black, did a quick sketch of a woman which I wanted to look like a messy draft on the plaster, but relatively fresh paint made the plaster surface a bit softer, and it was hard to achieve that sketch impression of the drawing, as the tool was taking small chunks off, instead of crisp lines. In the beginning I used an old Sharpie, but later I used dentist tools. I hope my trial and error helps.